Bonus number one is called my Flow Leads app. Now, Flow Leads is a white label program that I purchased probably about 6-7 months ago. And it allows you to create all different kinds of funnels for your business. It's going to save you a ton of money as opposed to buying something like a ClickFunnels or something like a Lead Pages for those of you that are on a budget. Let me show you all the things that you can do with this program. Now, you'll get the ability to make what we call product launch funnels. You'll be able to make webinar funnels, go-to viral funnels, grow my email list funnels. And this is the one we use for sellers list, buyers list, VIP, wholesalers list, and so on. Promote a product funnel and also giveaway funnels. Now, this is all drag and drop dead easy. And this is a cloud-based program. Now, what does that mean to you? That means that regardless of what type of device you're using it on, your cell phone, you're using it on an iPad, you're using it on a desktop, all you have to do is log into it. You don't have to download anything on your computer. It's in the cloud. Now, let's compare this to some of the programs that are out there right now. And these are some of the actual designs that you're going to get free. And I'm giving this to you guys 100% free for the next 25 of you who sign up for the 6-figure weekend. Let me show you how this compares to the big boys. And what I call the big boys, I'm talking about ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, both of which I use. Now, Flow Leads has all these different features. It's very much so comparable to Lead Pages and ClickFunnels. And here's where I'm going with this. The key to these programs, for example, look at Lead Pages. Lead Pages cost you $79 a month for the basic account. ClickFunnels cost you a total of $97 a month. I'm going to give you Flow Leads, where it normally costs $247. I'm going to give it to you for free. You heard me. You're going to get it for free. All you have to do is sign up for the 6-figure weekend. That's bonus number one that you're going to get. Bonus number two is you're going to get free upgrades. That's right. Let me go down here to the actual sign up button. For all of you, and it's only going to be the first 25, and I'm telling you right now, we already had 10 people signed up. So once this is over, please do not come to me and say, Charles, I wanted to sign up for that, I forgot, but Charles this, Charles that. For the first 25 people that sign up, I'm going to upgrade you for free. So in other words, if you sign up at $397, you're going to get everything that's in the $597. You're going to be upgraded to the Diamond. If you sign up for the $597 package, you're going to get everything that's in the $997. So you're going to get free access. And I'm only giving this again to the first 25 people that sign up for 6-figure weekend at www.6figureweekend.com. That's the first 25. Do not come to me after I finish this promotion and say, Charles, I did this, I did that. It will not work. So those are the two bonuses that we're giving for the first 25 that sign up. We already got 10 people signed up. That means there's only 15 left for you to get access to the Flow Leads app for free and to get access to free upgrades for 6-figure weekend. And I know Kathy and all you guys, you've already signed up. You got access to it. Everybody else, I'd hit over there as quickly as you can because it will go fast because we had a buttload of people come yesterday at the meetup and they've already signed up as well. So we have 15 licenses left for the Flow apps. And we also have a total of 15 upgrades available for the going from general to diamond or diamond to platinum. Free upgrades for the next 15 people that sign up. This is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, signing out. And we'll see you at the next Real Deal Meetup event and the 6-figure weekend. Bye-bye.